Kvadrat is a textile company from Denmark that regularly collaborates with designers, architects, and now Samsung.
If you are interested to buy this case, link is available in the description below.
And it's crafted a slim, sustainable case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra made out of recycled PET bottles. The Kvadrat cover closely resembles Google's fabric cases for its Pixel lineup, but the in-hand feel is a bit different. Kvadrat's case is a bit more coarse, but it still feels comfortably soft and, more importantly, adds a lot of grip to this incredibly slippery phone. I love the green color of my case, which pairs nicely with my cosmic gray Note 20 Ultra, but there are also options in red and gray. The case wraps along all but the bottom edge of the Note 20 Ultra, leaving the USB-C port, microphone, and speaker grill exposed. That tends to be a bit of a mixed bag with people, but I find that leaving the bottom edge exposed feels more comfortable when resting the phone on my finger. There's a soft rubber-like lining running along the sides of the case and into the inside, giving the phone some smooth padding. On the inside is some branding and a call-out to the case's wholly recycled PET bottle materials, while a tag on the outside of the case reminds you of who made it. Kvadrat did a great job with the build quality of the case. It's one of our favorite Galaxy Note 20 series cases, and it's a tighter, better fit than even the Samsung-made leather case I typically use on the Note 20 Ultra. It doesn't feel loose in the slightest, and the power and volume buttons along the side retain their clicky, tactile feel through the soft outer material. In case you're wondering like I was before the case arrived, the design is precise enough that you won't see any of your phone's glass backing peeking through the camera cutout, which is great if you want to get the case in a color that doesn't necessarily work well with the finish of your phone. I've used a few other cases made of recycled materials before, like Pella's compostable Pixel 4 case, but none of them have been nearly as impressive in both form and function as the Kvadrat cover. It's not a cheap case by any means, but between the great build quality, the 100% recycled materials, and the fact that it's even compostable so there's no waste once you're done with it, I don't think it's unreasonable.